Well, we are here back at Lady Ann.
We're here.
This is where we saw an alligator the first time.
Yeah.
And I felt some fish. She caught some little panfish. So we're hoping for good things today. It wasn't as hot today, so I'm thinking that might be a good thing. Doesn't look too busy. I think that's a good thing too.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be trying to go for bass because I'm still using my bass rod. And
I have worms, so y'all can guess what I'm going for. Panfish!
hopefully she gets one that's big enough so we can cook. We still haven't caught a fish and cooked it because we haven't got any that are big enough.
You know what? If I catch one that looks decent, I'm keeping it.
So
don't
we'll see
care.
how it goes. But we're here and let's make a great video today.
Let's do it! Oh, it's not focusing. Will you tap on that? On the fish? One more time. Oh. No focus. There we go. Okay, it's kind of focusing, not focusing. There we go. This is what I'm using. It's janky because all the panfish chewed up the tail and ate it, so I'm gonna stick the worm on the hook and use this for now. And then, what do you have?
A juicy jig with a lunker log trailer. I don't know what color that is, but it's like kind of like a light tan pink. So we're gonna be trying that today, and hopefully it works. I tied a new knot today, the Palomar knot. It's supposed to be easy. I mean, I did it. Hopefully it stays. My knots haven't been working, and it's been aggravating me. So hopefully that one stays. We'll see if it does. So this is the first cast. Let's see if the...
Moment of truth.
Yeah. That ain't good.
Let's be nosy. Ooh.
We're good.
All better.
Good. All good in the hood. I think I lost a good amount of line yesterday. Somehow the line broke, and I think I lost a good amount. But...
Nice. Look at that. Baby turtle in the water. Baby turtle. Oh, gone. All right, so it works. Now I'm gonna get rigged up. I'm gonna get rigged up and, well, I'm not even rigged up. I'm already rigged up. I'm just gonna hook a worm on here and hope for the best.
Already, huh?
Be nice. Oh, yeah.
We're like 10 minutes in. That's no way to treat him.
He's a big flopper. Ah! Alright, guy. Chill out. Chill out for a second. Panfish, number 1. Let's go, baby.
Too small to eat, but...
Yeah, but, let's go.
I see this fish over here. It's been by that dead bush. It's not a bass, but I'm trying to get it. It's a decent size. We'll see if I can do it or not.
All right, got the wormy all hooked on. See a lot of fish down here, so let's see if we can catch one. Let's see if I can do this while recording at the same time. Yeah. Gotta look for some big ones. Those guys look a little too small. Let's take a look down here. Small. Oh wait, that might be a decent size.
Oh, so she's been on that side. I told her to come to this side, and
you weren't wrong.
I was not wrong.
Look at that one, bigger than the first one.
Probably like twice the size, no?
Yeah, I would say double.
Still not eater, but you're getting closer.
I still would, just to try. Oh.
Don't listen to her.
Don't
look,
listen to him.
At least she caught something.
All he wants are big fish.
I haven't caught anything.
All he wants are big fish. I'm happy with any kind of fish. I'm not picky.
It's a catch.
Yeah.
That hook is in there. Look at that.
I know.
Smell it.
Wait.
Smell it.
Is he gonna bite me? Don't. Oh!
Ooh. Ooh.
Ew. Oh, he's feisty. He's a feisty
That ain't what we want.
No.
Ooh, it's a pretty fish. It's got some like blue, really light blue.
He's a feisty one. Okay, stop. Stop. Stop.
Yeah,
Relax.
you tell him.
Relax. 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 Oi. Oi. Swear to God, you stab me, I will fuck you up. I will.
You can say that.
Ooh. He smells good.
Like victory?
Like tasty.
Ew.
He smells good. I want to eat him. All right, y'all. Here's fish number 3. He was hiding in a hole. I was trying to get him out. He stole 3 worms from me, and I finally got him. Woo! Time to give him this one, this worm, and let him go. You!
This is number what?
If we can get him out, so I can show you. He's a little. Oh.
Look, you could save your worm too.
I know, huh? Hold on now. Okay. Anyway, this tangled up guy is number 4. What do they call me? They don't. What do I call myself?
Well, I can't say it because then I'd be calling you it.
What do I call myself, though? You're not calling it me.
Calling it me?
You're calling me that? Ew, look at the worm is all in there. Wrapping around. I've got little natty things eating me.
This is her 4th one. I'm still at 0.
This is what you should be doing.
I want to go over there, but there's 2 guys over there. I don't know if I should go over there.
All right, let's unhook him and we'll show a little release. Okay, this is fish number 5. My new technique is to wait for them to kind of like suck the whole worm in their mouth and then pull them out. So, it seems to be working. Woohoo! Wait.
So what?
6. Number 6.
I told her to come over here because there was a big one, and that's the biggest one so far.
Is this the guy you saw?
Yeah.
He's so beautiful.
I saw the stripes on him.
Okay, let me just... Be nice to me, okay? Be nice to me. Yes, be nice to me. I'm gonna get you out.
Feisty fish.
Yeah, look at him. Wiggling his little butt. Getting ready to poke me. Okay, where are you? No, don't. Don't be like that. No, you can't have that. That's for another one.
All right.
Shoo! Will he let me hold him? Oh, he will. Yay!
Here, look.
All right. I think I've caught about 10 fish. Definitely not like super eater size. Very tiny. I've been seeing some eater Well, I saw 2 eater-sized fish, but they swam off, so I wasn't able to hook a worm on really quick to try to entice them. There's Dad over there. So, gonna keep looking for more fish, and we'll see what happens. Bye.
Well, I think our night is done here. One of us was successful in catching fish. Both of us were successful in tying knots that didn't let our bait go this time. So I'll take that win. That's enough for me tonight. How about you?
Yeah, I think I'm ready for some dinner. Time to release this little dude back in the water.
Last one.
He smells so good. Bye, fish.
So we're gonna head on out of here, and until then, you know, uphill
And onward.
Good night, guys.